All right.
All right. So to get started, first thing you do is you run your sample set. Counter has to be on 0. If it's got a number, it'll give you that double beep, which in Duplo means, I ain't doing it. So clear it out.
Clear it out.
Run your sample. It's going to come down, go into reject check. Your job would be to take them out, make sure they're in the correct order.
Yep.
All right. So, like I said, right now this thing thinks in theory it could run at 8,800 an hour. It would never feed for beans that fast.
Yep.
Now, if sometimes when you want to change the speed before you start going down, you got to push it about a half a dozen times before it starts moving.
Okay.
You cannot speed up without it running.
Okay.
It'll just go right back where it was.
Oh,
but you can go slower. So we're going to start down a good number, and we want 10 sets. Hit start. You got to hold the start button until the green light comes on and the motor starts. That's an OSHA regulation. Anything that starts a motor or erases a number is a 1 second hold, so you can't fall against it and it turn itself on. So it's a safety thing. You should always have the air floating the pavement a little bit out of your sheets. Once done, it stops.
And if you wanted to, you could hit that button there. It would drop it down.
And if you just wanted to grab them, hit the down button. And when it's as low as you want it to be,
you can open that
open
door
the top
up.
door.
There you go. Go ahead. And now you can
Now
grab
you
it.
can take those out. It doesn't have to go all the way to the floor every time.
Sure.
It's bad enough
That's
you got to
pretty
bend
straight.
over and do that.
That's pretty straight the way it is.
Yeah. You know, as long as you're not obsessed about it being perfect, it works extremely well.
No, because we use risographs over there. So.
Because I've had people say, "Well, we're going to pad them," and you're not going to jog it one time. You're just going to put it in your little padding press and whatever it is, right?
Oh. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna jog everything. Absolutely everything. That's
You're running into weird people.
That's the key to getting things to work properly is jogging and uniformity.
I had a place one time in Youngstown. It was a family business.